Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 28, that is writing essays. How to write the essays. So, let's begin with this lesson here. What is essay? An essay is a piece of writing in prose on a particular subject. ये क्या होता है? एक ऐसे एक piece of writing होता है prose में एक particular subject पे. Writing a good essay is an art that requires careful planning, job. ऐसे लेके वो क्या एक आर्ट है जिसमें क्या होता है केयरफुल प्लानिंग चाहिए होती है एंड इमेजिनेशन ऑन द पार्ट्स ऑफ द राइटर. सो फीचर्स ऑफ अ गुड ऐसे क्या क्या होता है एक अच्छे ऐसे में. सो फर्स्ट, एन ऐसे इज अप्रिशिएटेड फॉर इट्स कंटेंट. उसके कंटेंट्स के लिए अप्रिशिएट करा जाता है. इन जनरल देयर आर सर्टेन फीचर व्हिच अ गुड ऐसे मस्ट हैव. यूनिटी होती है. द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द ऐसे इज इंपॉर्टेंट. जो सब्जेक्ट होता है ऐसे का वो इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. The subject should remain the same though throughout the essay. जो subject होता है वो same रहना चाहिए पूरे essay में. The subject may be treated in different ways. जो subject होना चाहिए वो different ways में treat करना चाहिए and viewed from different angles. But all parts of the essay must reflect the ideas about the subject. जो सारे parts होते हैं essay के उसको क्या करना चाहिए? Ideas reflect करने चाहिए subjects के बारे में. Now order क्या होता है? About beginning. Before beginning to write an essay, write down the ideas related to the topic. आपको क्या करना चाहिए? जब आप essay begin करो उससे पहले आपको ideas लिखने चाहिए related to the subject. These ideas must be logical, supplemented by the fact. एकदम logical और supplemented facts होने चाहिए. Arrange your ideas in proper order. आपको arrange करना ideas को अपने proper order में. When the outline is ready, discuss each idea in brief. जब आपका outline ready है आपको each idea को brief में discuss करना है. Order of the essay is important. जो essay का order होता है वो important होता है. It is one of the essential features of a good essay. ये क्या है? Essential feature है good essay का. The perfect order gives your essay unity of subject. जो perfect order होता है वो क्या देता है आपके essay को? Unity of subjects देता है. Now brevity. An essay should be brief. आपका एक essay brief होना चाहिए. It should not be so brief that it looks like a passage. वो इतना भी brief नहीं होना चाहिए कि passage की तरह लगे. And should not be so large that it looks like a never ending story. और इतना बड़ा भी नहीं चाहिए कि वो never ending story की तरह लगे. An essay should consist of 4 to 5 paragraphs. एक essay में क्या चाहिए? 4 से 5 paragraphs जरूरी होते हैं. A good essay does not mean that it should be long. Yes. एक अच्छे essay का ये मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए बहुत ज्यादा lengthy होना चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा होना चाहिए essay. और personal touch होना चाहिए. An essay should reflect individuality for its reveals the personal feelings of the writer. राइटर की पर्सनल फीलिंग्स होनी चाहिए. द स्टाइल एंड द लैंग्वेज शुड बी सिंपल. जो स्टाइल होती है और जो लैंग्वेज होता है एकदम एक्यूरेट और सिंपल होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी नीदर फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल. ना तो फॉर्मल हो ना इनफॉर्मल हो. बी केयरफुल टू यूज एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स. आपको केयरफुल करना है, एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स यूज करना है. टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्पेलिंग्स एंड अदर ग्रामेटिकल वेज. Now here is the classification of essay. Essay can be classified as descriptive essay होते हैं. These essay describe people. People should describe the place को, things को in detail. They describe them. It is necessary to collect relevant facts. Necessary correct करना relevant facts about the person, place or thing which the essay is to be written. Narrative essays होते हैं. The essay consists of the narration of an event. In essays में क्या होता है? Narration होता है events का, visits का, journey का, sports का, matches like accidents, incidents. They also narrate historical stories or legends and biographies. ये क्या narrate करते हैं? Historical stories, legends and biographies को narrate करती है. Reflexive essays क्या होते हैं? These essays deal with abstract topics. ये abstract topics से deal करते हैं जैसे आपकी habits हो गई, feelings हो गई, qualities हो गई, philosophical subjects हो गए. Essay on social, economical topics, political and religious topics belongs to this category. Now, imaginative essays. These essays consist of imaginary situation in which you have actually never involved or experienced. ये ऐसे में क्या होता है? एक imaginary situation होती है जिसमें which you have actually never involved, जिसमें आप involve नहीं हुए और कुछ experience नहीं किया. Example, if I were a billionaire is an imaginative topic. These essays require great power. So बहुत ज़्यादा powers चाहिए होती है, great powers चाहिए होती है, imagination क्या little sense of humor भी चाहिए होता है. Remember, whatever type of essay you are writing, you are simply expressing your views supported by facts. जिस टाइप का भी ऐसे लिख रहे हो आप क्या कर रहे हो? Views दिखा रहे हो support हो गए facts and figures से. Wherever required, do not try to preach or teach others. आपको try नहीं करना preach करने का, teach करने का, others teach करने का दूसरों को. through your essay. Your views should be impartial. आपकी views impartial होने चाहिए और never कभी भी biased नहीं होने चाहिए. So read the following essay and enjoy your turn to write after the essay. Here is an essay you have to read with me. A day I will never forget. एक ऐसा दिन जो मैं कभी नहीं भूल. My joy knew no bounds when my parents told me that they were going to the zoo. It was a day I had been looking forward to for a long time. It was a bright Sunday when we set out in the morning. This was my first visit to the zoo and I was determined to make it both enjoyable and educational. There were many things at the zoo which impressed me. It was good to see that giraffes and deer were kept in the environment similar to their natural habitat. Many other animals were housed in cages. Going from cage to cage was an exciting experience as it gave me a feeling of walking through a forest. I stopped near the cage housing wild monkeys. They were jumping, swinging, and chattering. I stood near the cage for some time, watching them with interest. Suddenly, one of the monkeys caught hold of my right hand and pulled me. I was overwhelmed by the surprise and panic. I tried to free myself. My parents tried to make the monkey release its grip, but with no success. The monkey started pulling my hand with much force. I was very much afraid. This went on for a couple of minutes until the zookeeper came to my rescue. Seizing a stick, he shook it at the monkey and ordered it to let go of my hand. Grudgingly, the monkey obeyed. Although I was in a state of shock, my parents and I walked to a nearby lawn and sat down there. We were in no mood to continue our tour of the zoo. After some time, we returned home. It was indeed a day I will never forget. So here's the vocabulary of this essay. Pneumonies was without limits. Impressed means arouse admiration. Habitat means natural environment or home. Overwhelm means overcome or gripped by. Grudgingly means unwillingly. So here, easy structure क्या होता है आपके essay का? The essay is divided into 5 paragraphs. 5 paragraphs में divided. The writer wanted to enjoy the day at the zoo but had unexpected and unpleasant experience. Paragraph 1 में क्या introduce करा है subject को writer के set up the for a visit to zoo with high expectations. Paragraph 2 में describe the experience that the writer at first enjoyed. The writer shares his views here. Paragraph 3 में introduce करा monkey. The writer is happy to describe the active playful monkeys. Paragraph from a provider unexpected that happened. It relates the experience which is the focus of the subject. Paragraph 5 में क्या conclude the essay emphasizing the subject that with this was experience the writer would never forget. Now it's your turn to write. You have to write a essay a day I will never forget according to yourself. So like this you can write an essay. So you have to keep all these fine points in your mind before writing an essay. So that's all for this essay writing. I hope you like the explanation of this chapter. See you in the next class.